paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. Let's make fluid art today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, we will require a canvas and 3 to 4 different type of acrylic paints. Make sure your acrylic paints are liquid. It should not be very thick. The more liquidy it is, the better it is. Why don't we take bright colors? You can choose your own colors, but here we have taken pink, blue and orange color. Make sure all your paints are fluid. Fluid means they need to be very thin and liquidy. Now, why don't we start pouring color over color? Let's do it together. If your paints are over, you can take another color as well. Can you see the pattern which we are creating? Yes, we are putting one color on top of another and creating a beautiful circular pattern. Once we have enough paint on our canvas, we will start spreading it. For spreading it, we will pick it up and then we will start turning it all around. Make sure you turn it in all the directions. Also, if you notice, we have kept our canvas on top of a glass. This gives it a little elevation and it is easier for us to paint. If you feel that you require more paint, then you can put it on the corner. Don't forget to use bright colors. Now, let's start smudging this once again. Do you see a beautiful design being created? Yes, this is called an abstract design. Be very patient with your design and start turning it all around. This looks fantastic. Cover the entire canvas with this color. If you feel the edges are remaining, you can just dab it a little with your paint. If you don't have enough paint, you can also take it from the mat below. To keep your floor clean, make sure you use a mat or an old paper.
Stay tuned for our next video.